Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video on how you can verify Cash App Cash Card for Apple Pay. So verifying a card in Apple Pay is basically adding it to Apple Wallet. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your Cash App account. And once you're logged into your account from the home page itself, you need to tap on the card icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. As you tap on it, next interface you'll be able to see your card. And as you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear. So then from the list, you'll need to tap on Add to Apple Pay. Once you do that, next interface you'll be able to see all of the information, and if you're sure about the information or the card detail, then just tap on submit. In next interface you'll have the terms and conditions, so make sure to go through all of the information. So after that, you'll be notified that you've verified your Cash App Cash Card for your Apple Pay, and on the statement it mentions that the PIN for the Cash App Cash Card will be the same as for the Apple Wallet. So then tap on continue, and after that you've successfully added as well as verified your Cash App Cash Card for Apple Pay. So that is how you can do it. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.